Hey, amazing teachers! You ever teach a word, say it 47 times, and still have a student raise their hand and ask, wait, what does that mean again? Same. That's why today's tip is a total game changer. Create a visual word bank on your board and update it daily with high frequency words. It's like a cheat sheet that everyone's allowed to use. Here's the plan. Each day, pick 3 to 5 high frequency words or phrases that come up in your lesson. Write them on the board in the target language. Add a quick doodle or emoji next to each one. Stick figures are acceptable art. And leave them up for reference. Need examples? Quiere, va, tiene, le gusta, I. You'll use them constantly anyway, so make them visible. Bonus points if you color code verbs, nouns, or anything that makes you feel like an organized wizard. This trick helps with input, keeps students focused, and reduces the number of times you feel personally betrayed when they forget a word you said 12 seconds ago. Want to check if your CI setup is actually working for real acquisition? Take our CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz. It's like a visual word bank, but for your teacher brain.